Hey guys, Liz here. Happy Friday to you. I hope you guys had a great week and are ready to kick off the weekend. Anyway, today I have a short haul for you. My husband and I just went, there's an antique store that we both like to go to because he can find old records, vintage records, and I get to shop for home decor stuff. So it's a win-win, people. And so we just went and had a nice lunch, and then we went to the antique store, and there's like 2 or 3 vendors in there that I just love to shop. It's like French country farmhouse. Yeah, that's what it is. And look what I found. I've been looking for an old scale, and this was about $20, I believe. Look how cute. So I will be incorporating this into my spring decor, but I thought it was adorable. Super cute. And then I'm gonna be making some of these. I'm gonna have a DIY. Oh yes, I am, because I was looking. Okay, so when I was there, they had this in a little, what do you call it? Like an armoire, and they had this on some chalk painted candle holder that almost looked like a pedestal, and on top of it were these like 4 little looks like a bird's nest, but they're grouped in a set of 4. I'm gonna make some of these because I have figured out how they did it, and it's not hard, and it's gonna be super inexpensive and super duper cute. So I got this. So this is actually, I know what this is because I've been to Hobby Lobby a gazillion times. This is actually from a garland. All they did was snip little pieces from that garland and tuck them into these little grapevine wreaths, and then they hot glued some little eggs onto the top. I mean, how simple, how simple. And wait till you see what it looks like when it's on a cute little like pedestal candle holder. It looks so cute. So I'm gonna try to find a candle holder downstairs in my storage room that's kind of this color, and then place this on top for spring. Seriously, look how cute this looks on the scale. And then imagine like a cute little bird, a little, I don't know where I'm going with this, but I mean, hello, how cute. So there's that. I didn't get a lot there, and then I found this, just like a little grapevine wreath, but I like to put these in my hutches, in my armoires, and lay them up against the back, and then you can do like a cute display, you know, with it. So I got that, and at this one vendor's, I don't know, little shop, she always has really good prices on her greenery. So, oh, the lady took the sticker off, but I think this was like $6. And I was like, so cute. Imagine a little bird or bunny next to this for Easter. Look at that. I'm thinking way too far ahead right now. And then I got this one. And they used like chalk paint on this. And I love ivy and all that good stuff. So they get ahead to spring, but I mean, you could do like a really cute, like picture this in an armoire with this sitting beside it, or even up on a little candle holder with a bunny or bird. Yes, 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 yes. That's where I'm going with this. And then I got one other thing, and then I've got a haul from Walmart. Okay, so check this out. This is like, it looks like a little old door with a chalkboard at the top, and I'm thinking of putting this in my kitchen. Let me scoot this back, but look at this. And so if I wanted to, I could hang a wreath right here and then have a cute like saying for the seasons, like happy spring or Valentine's Day, and then have, oh, I've got an idea. Or for Valentine's Day, I could do something like this with a cute little saying right here. Hello, how cute would that be? It says love. That's just another thought. So see these valances here? I could leave these up for Valentine's Day, but to be honest, I'm kind of sick of them. And they were very quick and easy DIY, so not my favorite look. But I've decided to replace them with what I'm going to show you in just a second. But anyway, this is my pantry. As you can see, it's a mess. I need to clean it after the Christmas holidays and get it organized and pretty. But I bought some new valances from Walmart, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so when I was at Walmart, I was thinking yesterday, I went down the curtain aisle and I was like, I need something that's bright and cheery and fun for spring, and this is what I came up with. They actually were out of the valances. If I had, see, look how cute these valances are. I wanted to get 2 of those for that, those doors, but they didn't have those. So I got these, and it comes with 2, I believe, yeah, 2 pairs. But I thought it was cute. I really like the colors. And then, so I'm gonna make my own valances, and we'll see how they turn out. If they don't, I'm going back for these, or I'll order them online because I thought they were cute. So that's just another idea. So then I picked up these paper lantern string lights. I love decorating with these in my displays. Got these at Walmart, and I'll show you, I'm gonna go take the camera over there and show you where I plan to put those. I'm gonna replace these like little Edison lights with these because I think they're just gonna be lighter and airier for spring. Okay, so right here you see I've got some different lights on this old rustic door. And usually, see this old rustic door, it's really kind of cool and charming. I got it at the same antique store that I went to today. And it's got the like old key lock that you can like look into. I don't know if you can see right here. You can see right through it. It's like an old door, and it's chippy, and it's kind of like a blue gray white. But anyway, I thought those little other lights would look brighter and airier on this door because I don't like the brown cord showing. But you can see right here, I've got a nail, and so usually right there I've got like a wreath hanging there or a sign that kind of goes with whatever season we're into. So I'm gonna replace those lights with one that has a white cord, and I think it'll be really cute. And this is in my sunroom. It's an old window, and I might do a curtain valance there, or I may like swag those white lights that I just showed you on there. I can hang a wreath there or a cute sign and then decorate the shelf. So that's another thought. Paper lantern string lights, and I don't remember how much they were, but they were cheap. Hello, it's Walmart. Okay guys, well when I was at Walmart yesterday, I found these Pioneer bowls and plates, and I just like love them. And I thought, oh my gosh, these plates would go great with these little curtain panels. And as you can see, they're floral up at the top, and then you know, cute little patterned lines at the bottom. So when I found these bowls, I was like, these are so cute. So with all my white furniture, and then I've got dark pieces, I want to mix it up and add little pops of color for spring. Not doing all the white bowls and white plates in the white armoire. Just not going to happen for me. I might add some, but I'm going to have to add color. That's where I'm going this year. Color with pops of white in darker pieces of furniture. But you can see this is a really cute bowl, and I thought like a little cute garden ball sitting in here with some plates behind it would be really cute. But like I said, the colors all go really well together. So this is kind of where I'm heading with this. So anyway, I got 4 of these cute bowls, and I may stack them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they will probably be going in this hutch right there, with some white pieces, but gotta have some color. And then I've been using my KitchenAid mixer a lot to do desserts, and I'm tired of dragging it in and out because it's so heavy. So I'm like, I'm gonna put it in one of the corners of my kitchen, and I got these bowls, these Pioneer Woman bowls. It was like a set. I think it was $24.99. I could be wrong. But I'm going to try to see if this will fit. If it doesn't, I've got 2 other bowls. Thought they were cute. I'm always whipping up whipped cream on this keto diet, so it will come in handy. And then I love this color. Love, love, love. So this was part of Pioneer Woman, and I've got a whole set downstairs that I bought last year. So, I mean, I want to add in this color, and I've got some plates down in my storage room that will work. But I love these colors together. So that will be coming. Also at Walmart, I got this Pioneer Woman cutting board. Haven't taken it out of the wrapper yet. But I'm gonna lean this up against the wall somewhere in my kitchen because I think it's cute. And I'm always looking for a new cutting board. And then I found this also at Walmart. It's got a cow, a pig, and a rooster. And I was like, hello, farmhouse. But I'm gonna make it look more country French. So I'm gonna add some greenery. Oh yeah, I forgot I got that too. See, when I buy stuff, sometimes I come home and I squirrel them away in different places. Sometimes in my hutch, sometimes in a closet. I just kind of squirrel them away. And I get to them when I get to them. But half the time I forget that I put where I put them, and then some days it's like, oh, there it is. I totally forgot I bought that. So anyway, I got this, and this will sit in the kitchen somewhere on the shelf, but I think it's cute, and I'm gonna add some greenery with it. And then in going with my lemon theme, I found these cute candles at Walmart. They're wild honeysuckle. I love the smell of honeysuckle. I think it smells amazing. But I'll probably take this label off and then put it on something cute. And like, again, hello, it's all gonna coordinate and go really well together for spring. So I got 2 of those. Probably one for the sunroom, one for the kitchen. Then at Walmart, they were just trying to put out their Valentine's Day stuff. So I picked up these cute little red and white glittered hearts, and I got 2 boxes. And I also got some like burlap ribbon and stuff. And I think I'm gonna hang these. You guys know that spring rod that I have in my kitchen cutout where I hung my fall leaves and I hung my icicles for Christmas. I think I'm gonna do hanging hearts. So I got some small hearts, but I kind of want to go to Hobby Lobby maybe next week and get some bigger ones. So I'll, vary big heart, little heart, big heart, little heart, big heart, little heart. I think it'll be so cute. And I'll do a snippet picture so you know what I'm talking about. Here's that little cutout, going into the kitchen. And I'm gonna hang a big heart, then a little heart, big heart, little heart. And I think it makes a really cute little backdrop in between the kitchen and the sunroom. So also too, last week, I'm not sure if I included this in my haul, but when I went to TJ Maxx, I came across these really cute coffee cups. And I love to collect coffee cups and plates and kind of change them out with my displays. But this is like my favorite color in the whole world. I just love it. So I got 4 of these, and these were like $4.99 each. And so I'm gonna be displaying these somewhere. I don't know if I'm gonna put them in my hutch or over there with my cappuccino bar. Probably will do that, but I think these are super cute. I've got to soak these in some hot soapy water so I can get the tags off. Drives me nuts. I wish they'd put them down here, but love these. I think they're so cute. And hello, they're gonna go well with this too. Okay guys, that's it. That's it for my little haul today. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'm not sure if I'll be back this weekend. I feel like I'm a little under the weather. Never fails every year when I go to that shopping mall. I'm always behind someone that's like, achoo, or they're like, and then I get sick. So feeling like I've got a cold coming on, the congestion right here. So I might need a day or two just to chill and drink broth and tea and just, you know, recoup. So I don't know, we'll see. But that'll do it for me today. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and for all your lovely comments. Have to apologize, I have not commented to pretty much anyone, and it's just because I've got the whole family home and I'm like pulled in all different directions lately. So yeah, I haven't had a chance to sit down and go through them. I've read them all, and I thank you guys so much. Your comments are the best. I just haven't had a chance to go in and respond to those who may have asked a question or whatever. So, but I thank you guys, and I'll try to be back soon, and we'll go through the house one vignette at a time and get it decorated for Valentine's Day and spring and my everyday decor. So lots to come. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you soon. Mwah!